Hosparus Health works to provide hospice and palliative care to individuals and families around Kentuckiana, and you can help support the nonprofit so they can give care that families need all across the community. Joining me is SVP and Chief Development and Marketing Officer Tawanda Owsley. Tawanda, good to see you.
Good to see you, Claudia. Thanks for having me.
Again, thank you all for partnering with us once again, because I have heard again and again from so many people, because this is such an important message, especially during the holidays. People feel like they're in a bubble of what can I do to get some help? And this, truly, you all have covered every corner of how to help folks that could be going through an end-of-life situation.
Yes, and thanks for having us. You know, the holiday times, while we celebrate so many wonderful things, and many of that is being surrounded by our family and our friends and the folks that we love the most. Unfortunately, there are families in our community that this is a difficult time for them. Either they have lost a loved one this year to serious illness, or they're facing losing a loved one this year. We have families like the Hughes family, who's been highlighted through this show, that recently lost their son, and this will be the second year that they will approach the holidays without their son. And there are other families like that. What we want to do at Hosparus is to be there so that many families, their children, their loved ones, can die with dignity, that we have the services that help them deal with the difficult time of serious illness and death.
Since we last spoke, this time last year, you all have just expanded your program so much. I mean, there is a lot that you all offer. I mean, this is, you know, Courageous Kids, incredible program. You have the grief counseling. You have so many. I mean, what is new in the last year that you all expanded, especially there in E-Town?
Yes, so there's many things that have happened. So in our Elizabethtown area, we are working on opening up, and we'll open up our primary care center for the elderly, our PACE center, that will happen in Elizabethtown. Earlier this year, we broke ground on a new grief counseling center in the Louisville market, and later in 2025 we'll be opening a new inpatient unit. So we are trying to be there for families as much as possible. And as you mentioned, we have our Courageous Kids program that's been around for over 40 years, and you know that we serve 41 counties in our Kentucky and Southern Indiana area, so seeing over 10,000 patients a year.
That's incredible. And to do that, you all are raising funds right now to help to continue support not only the new programs but the existing programs.
Absolutely. So we always are in need of resources to continue to provide help. We see patients regardless of their ability to pay. So that's our hospice patients, that's our grief counseling services, and that's our Courageous Kids program, so that we are able to meet the needs of our community. We truly rely on philanthropy and the donations of our generous donors.
What are the different ways that people can support you all right now?
So the best way that you can give during this season is text to give, which will be on your screen. You can always visit our website at hosparushealth.org and make a donation.
So many ways to help, and happy holidays to you.
Happy holidays to you.
And thank you again for stopping by.
Thank you.
And to Hosparus for all the great work you all do. If you would like to help, maybe you're in need of help this holiday season with family members, or maybe you are so touched by what's happening here with Hosparus that you want to help because they need your help. All you have to do is text the number on your screen, go to that website, and help Hosparus today.